Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing a memory keeping spread. This one once again, so I noticed I've been doing a little bit of a theme, meaning that I've been keeping them very simple. And this one's just going to be another simple one as well. What I've done is printed out 6 photos. I've printed them like this. These are always like the collages I do. So this is for this week. So I'm a little 1 week behind, so that there's 6 photos. This size kind of works good because, you know, before I was doing them as 4, which fit in that box too. This size is fine too. I'm just changing it up a little bit. So those are upcoming ones. So for this one, and how I look at it too, with 6 photos, it's kind of like a story a day, even though these kind of have the same story about like my obsessive plant shopping that I've been doing lately. So I wanted to do something that would take up some of the space so that the page is not overwhelming with filling up with journaling, is my point. So I have these big mommy sticks, and this one that is gold foiled that just says "You are my fave," I thought was perfect. Then I just thumbed through some of my scrapbook papers. So it's this purple one on the back, and then this gorgeous floral, which I want to use. And forever, I think I've been hoarding it because it's Maggie Holmes and we all know I love Maggie Holmes. And I always thought I was going to cut out the floral clusters and then do something with it, which can still be done. But I kind of just feel like if I think I have to cover up 3 columns. So 1, 2, 3 on this side. If I can cover up 3 columns, and then this will fit there over it, that'll take up like a lot of the space on the page. And then just kind of have these photos here. And then I was thinking about just taking like a thin strip then at the end and putting a strip over at this end. That way it kind of bookends, and then have these over it. And then that way I have all of this to journal on this page. So it's a nice approach. That way I can talk about the plant shopping, you know, here, talk about books, reading, and taking her to the jump. This cookie place we had, Maui, and then this week on the Friday, we did our Valentine's Day date. So that's what this picture was from. So these are the memories that we are sharing. And so what I've also done, so I was competing too with using the Good Vibes and Happiness is an Inside Job, using these together with like this one, with these Monstera leaves, because I just love this. This is from Hobby Lobby. It's one of the Paper Studio ones, which I do love. I just felt like the colors in my photos were a bit softer than going with this, which is why I went with that. And then I also found this green page too, but I just didn't feel like there was a lot of green there. So that's how those got X-nayed. So this is where we're at, right here, right here. And then I have pulled, and I have done, I should do a haul. Let me know if you wanted to see a haul. I've gone to like Michael's and Joann's for their clearance sections a little bit. And so I've picked up, these are 2 new purchases. See, it was like $5 and this one was like 10. So I have Stronger Together. So I was liking a lot of these little square with the sentiments inside, because my photos were square, and then the sentiments too are a lot of pink text. So I thought I could see if something for another word or 2 were there. And then in this one, this is floral. This is from the Recollection. This is a Michael's specific brand. But in this one, there were these peonies that kind of looked very Maggie Home-esque. So I was like, maybe I can cluster a few of these on the page. Yeah, super cute for it too. So that's the thought. That is where we're going. All right, so let me put you on fast forward and we will get started.
Okay, so I hope you enjoy my thought process that goes behind my memory planner. I hope I give you ideas to approach it in a very simple way that you don't feel overwhelmed. My whole purpose always is just to inspire anyone who watches my videos and is subscribed to my channel that memory keeping doesn't have to be that involved if you don't want it to. Even if I stopped all other projects, I think I would constantly do at least a planner every year if I didn't love scrapbooking as much as I do to do more in-depth stories. This one I feel is just approachable and manageable. Even if you're not that artistically inclined, you do not need to have all these supplies. It's just fun for me, and this is my hobby and I love it. So this brings me such joy, and this is my self-love in essence when I get the time to document. So in these photos, there are a few photos of me and Valentina plant shopping. I think I have mentioned it, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, I've got bit by the plant mama bug, and I love shopping for rare ones or ones that I think are gorgeous, and my daughter has gotten involved, so a few of those are those photos. I took her to a cookie shop called Crumble this week. She loved the cake, birthday cake cookie. It was so good. And then this is the weekend before Valentine's Day. So Miguel and I had a date night. And then I also take Valentina to a trampoline park on the weekends. We have a membership. And so those were the other photos in this week's spread.
Okay, so that will finish this one up. So like I said, keeping it really simple, blocked off pretty much this entire page over here, which is fine. Like I said, I felt like I picked out the highlights of my week. I love how that goldy chrome is there. And then I have all of this to write. So keep that in mind whenever you are using your planner for memory keeping, that it's okay to occupy a whole page with no journaling and just a picture and a big sentiment. I just love it. Look how cute that is. I love it. So I know I probably talked through the voiceover, so I don't want to say too much, but thank you so much for always joining me. I hope you found some inspiration in your memory planner for this week. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so, and please give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, everyone. Bye.